guys, it's Joanne with expressionsvinyl.com, and I just wanted to come and show you a fun little project that you could make. And it's a quick and simple pillow for Halloween, of course. And we are using Stripflock Pro as well as Sparkle. And I love the combination of this black and then kind of the black silver from the Sparkle. So I've got my project already cut out. I'm just going to weed both the Stripflock Pro and the Sparkle. And they're so easy to cut as well as weeding. If you're unsure of the cut settings, we do have those listed at expressionsvinyl.com, just under machine settings. We've got it for the silhouette machine as well as your Cricut machines. And if you use a Siser machine, that is actually on the machine itself. I love the look of this font, and I just thought it would be really fun for Halloween and went well with the spider theme. So we've got our Creepin It Real pillow ready to go. And look at the shine on this Sparkle. So the pillow cover I'm using is one that we got at Ikea, but you can find similar, it's just a blank solid color. You can find similar on Amazon or Walmart, different places like that carry just a basic solid color pillow cover. And I'm gonna pre-press it to get any moisture out as well as get some of those wrinkles out of it. Okay, now that I have all the wrinkles out, make sure you have the zipper on the right side. I've messed up a few pillows by having the zipper either on the side or the top, so make sure you put your zipper on the correct side, and then we're ready to press everything. The Stripflock Pro presses at about 310 degrees, and I'm not gonna use the full time because I do have that second layer. So go a few seconds less. And it is a warm peel, so once you're ready to go, just peel that off, and you're ready to put the second layer on. And I'm using the Cricut Auto Press, but you can do this with your home iron. If you have an easy press or a different heat press, anything will work. Okay, now that's ready, I'm gonna press it for the full time this time so that both layers get adhered correctly. And Sparkle adheres at about the same temperature, so I didn't change anything on the heat settings. And don't forget your cover sheet. If your other ones from the vinyl you're using don't quite cover everything, make sure you do use an extra cover sheet so it doesn't hurt your heat press or iron. And both of these are a warm peel, so it's ready to go. Just peel that off and look at how fun that is. So we have all the links for everything that we use down below in the description. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed before, and we can't wait to see what you guys make. Thank you.